Hi everyone, once again I'm going to show you something new. Let's join the 2-minute classroom. Today I will show you how can you filter information or data from one table to another table. It's very easy, just a matter of few clicks. So table 1 has 4 columns: order, date, product and quantity. I will pull the information from this table to second table. This is a reference cell where we will be pulling the information through data list function. Okay, so we need to type the formula here is equal to filter bracket open, select the table as an array and put comma, and in this include you need to select this column from where the reference data is equal to, and select where you have a drop down information and hit enter. You can see that the data has been picked up, and go to drop down and look at the select one option, select two option, select three option, and here your information has been filled perfectly. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Subscribe to my channel for more learning tips. Like, share and comments. Have a good day. Take care. Happy learning.